REJSEKORT app, how to use. Here is REJSEKORT app, super easy to get started. So here is the idea. You download this app with your Apple ID. It's available in all stores, both like in Danish, in US, in UK. So if you're a tourist traveling in Copenhagen, in Denmark, you can download it from any app store. And then you need to create your account super fast to do it. And then basically super straightforward. In the bottom, you see the button to check in. So instead of using your physical blue card, you just swipe it like this to check in. It automatically identifies what are the closest stations to you. It can be bus station, it can be metro station, some train station. This one. And that's kind of the idea. So you just check in and then it kind of works. If you want to add extra travelers, just tap on this blue icon in the bottom right. You can add adults. So this part is much easier than with physical cards. You can add children, you can add the dog, you can add a bike, and then again just check in. Then when you exit your bus, metro, just you will see, and then just check out. So that's it. In the top left, you see history. You can add the payment like Apple Pay, whatever. You can change it. You can see some discounts. They have some kind of gamification here. Like you can see in different parts of Denmark, you can see some discounts levels. You can see some off-peak discounts. You can see history of your travels, payment. Again, you can add different payment methods. The fastest is just use Apple Pay on iOS. Then you can see settings, profile, change customer type. This, you can see the details. Then you can see travel, smart checkout. So this, I don't know, smart checkout notifies you when you are no longer traveled by public but have not yet checked out. If you forget to check out, smart checkout will do it for you after approximately 10-30 minutes. It's not possible to do it during active journey. So this is quite cool, right? So you can just do the smart checkout and just avoid being charged. Or, if you forget to check out, a lot of people do that. They just forget to check out for 2 days, whatever. And then you can just see guides, there is help, and that's it. So pretty cool, like super easy design. And then you just swipe and then swipe out. Of course, it's hard to get used to this app. What happens if your phone goes off charge, for example? Then I don't know what to do. If your battery is super low on your phone, you don't have a power bank, nothing. Then you go to the metro, you check in, and then what happens next? And then what can you show to this controller person? And so there are some questions, obviously, but as with any new technologies, there probably will be issues. And obviously, if you check in, you will see kind of like a QR code, which then you just show to the to this person who checks to the conductor. And then you can also check your price. That's it. So pretty cool. And the advantage is that you do not need to top up your blue card all the time. Here, for example, in blue card, you always need to have some kind of pre-saved balance, like 100 krona or something if you want to travel. Here, you can just pay as you go with Apple Pay. So that's quite nice. And so let's see how it works. And that's kind of the idea of the app.